Welcome back to Voice of Cyber, where we dive deep into the world of cybersecurity, hacking, and programming. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Today, we're going to explore a powerful technique used by hackers and cybersecurity professionals alike: Google Dorking. Also known as Google hacking, this method involves using advanced search operators to find hidden information on websites that Google has indexed. So, let's dive in. Google Dorking might sound complicated, but it's actually quite simple. By using specific search queries, you can filter out results to find exactly what you're looking for. While this technique can be used for legitimate research, it's important to remember that it can also be misused. So, always ensure you're acting within legal and ethical boundaries. The foundation of Google Dorking lies in search operators. These are specific commands that refine your search results. Here are some of the most common ones. Cite limits results to a specific domain. For example, cite example.com will only show results from example.com file type. File type? Search for specific file types such as PDF, DOC, XLS, etc. Example: file type :PDF will return only PDF files. InURL searches for specific words in the URL. For instance, InURL admin can be used to locate login pages. InTitle: find pages with a specific word or phrase in the title. Example: InTitle: index of will return pages with index of in their title, often indicating directory listings. Google Dorking is a powerful tool, but with great power comes great responsibility. Always use these techniques ethically and within the boundaries of the law. If you're a cybersecurity professional, tools like this can help you find vulnerabilities before malicious hackers do. And that's a wrap for today. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments what other topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.